In this video, we will look at the state drawing mode. Up until this point, most of the tags we have looked at have used the traditional trend drawing mode, as is depicted by the yellow, blue, and gray tags. The state drawing mode, seen here in the middle of the chart, is useful when plotting Boolean or string tags, as it is easier to determine what state the tag is in. If using the default trend mode, these data types would look like the green and blue trends. Let's first convert the green string tag to use the state drawing mode. To do that, we will open the Edit Trends menu and select our tag. Select State, then scroll down to the Drawing States section. Any number of values can be entered depending on the number of potential states the tag could be in. In this case, we have 3: closed, start, and running. For each state, we will choose a unique color. You may notice that there is a fine green line outlining the band. If wanting to remove this, go back into the Edit Trends menu and set the line thickness to 0. Next, let's configure the blue Boolean tag to use the state drawing mode. When the value is true, we'll change the color to blue. When the value is false, we'll change the color to orange. This time, we will also add a description. So instead of displaying true, I want it to display on. And when it's false, let's have it display off. So when I scroll across the trend, I can see on and off is being displayed. So that's how you use the state drawing mode. Thanks for watching.